Application notice. This is an application notice for the variation of the Traveller Injunction granted on October the 2nd, 2018. Name of court, High Court of Justice, Queen's Bench Division, Birmingham District Registry. Claim number E90BM139. The application has been lodged by Legal Services, Wolverhampton City Council. Wolverhampton City Council instructs the court to make the following order. The claimant seeks an order that the injunction and power of arrest granted on the 2nd of October 2018 be varied so as to A. Remove 4 sites from the scope of the injunction and power of arrest, and B. Include 3 new sites as set out in the draft varied injunction and power of arrest. Pursuant to CPR 81.8, the claimant seeks an order dispensing with personal service and granting permission to serve any varied injunction and power of arrest by the alternative methods specified in the draft injunction or by such methods as the court considers appropriate. This will be heard on the 5th of December 2019 review hearing at 10:30 a.m. and will be considered by a High Court judge. The Council relies on the following information. On the 2nd of October 2018, the Honourable Mrs Justice Jefford DBE granted an injunction and power of arrest prohibiting the setting up of encampments on 60 vulnerable sites in Wolverhampton. The claimant has reviewed the situation following the granting of the injunction to ensure that the injunction remains proportionate and necessary. Following careful consideration, the claimant has identified 4 sites that no longer appear to be vulnerable to unauthorised encampments by reason of development or improved site security. Sites 35, 43, 53 and 57. The claimant therefore invites the court to remove these from the scope of the injunction and power of arrest. In consultation with the West Midlands Police, the claimant has further identified 3 sites not covered by the injunction and power of arrest that are deemed vulnerable to unauthorised encampments with a risk of displacement and which the claimant invites the court to include. Full details of the 3 new sites are contained in the witness statement of Sean Walker, dated 20th of November 2019, as confirmed in the witness statement of Police Inspector Gavin Plumridge, dated 18th of November 2019. West Midlands Police support the inclusion of these 3 new sites. If the court is minded to vary the injunction and power of arrest, the claimant seeks an order under CPR 81.8 dispensing with personal service and granting the claimant permission to serve any varied injunction and power of arrest by the alternative methods in the draft varied injunction accompanying this application or by such methods as the court considers appropriate. Details of the steps that the claimant proposes to take in the form of traditional and social media to bring any varied injunction and power of arrest to the attention of anyone who may be affected by the order are set out in the witness statement of Danielle Taylor, dated the 20th of November 2019. The claimant will further display prominent notices at each of the new sites if they are included, and will arrange for the notices that are installed at any sites which are excluded to be removed. The injunction and power of arrest are listed for a review hearing on the 5th of December 2019, at which the claimant respectfully invites the court to consider the application if possible. For more information, please visit www.wolverhampton.gov.uk/traveller injunction, where you can see the application supporting documents and the maps of the 3 new sites to be included and the 4 sites to be removed. The 4 sites Wolverhampton City Council invites the court to remove from the injunction are 1. Land at Wobaston Road, site reference number 35 within the injunction. 2. Land at the rear of Inkerman Grove, site reference number 43 within the injunction. 3. Villiers School, site reference number 53 within the injunction. And 4. Nettlefolds Way, site reference number 57 within the injunction. The 3 sites Wolverhampton City Council invites the court to add to the injunction are 1. Aldersley Leisure Village, prospective site reference 61 within the prospective varied injunction. 2. Bantock Park, prospective site reference 62 within the prospective varied injunction. And 3. Heath Town Park, prospective site reference 63 within the prospective varied injunction.